Jericho Rosales, in love kay Janine Gutierrez. Inisa-isa ang mga dahilan kung bakit ito nabighani sa aktres. Feeling awkward at may hiya factor daw nung una si Jericho Rosales na ligawan at i-date ang rumored girlfriend niyang si Janine Gutierrez. Ito'y dahil daw sa agwat ng kanilang edad. Ang akala kasi ni Jericho ay 24 years old lang si Janine kaya nagdadalawang isip siya na pormahan ang dalaga. May nagsabi raw kay Jericho na 24 pa lamang si Janine at dahil 45 na siya, kaya naisip niyang wag nang ituloy ang plano niyang panliligaw sa aktres. Sa panayam kay Jericho ng news anchor na si Karen Davila na napapanood sa YouTube channel nito, na ikwento nga ng aktor ang tungkol dito at kung ano na ba talaga ang status ng kanilang relationship. Sabi ni Karen kay Echo, "When I heard about it through exclusively dating, I was so happy because I already interviewed Janine and she just has the beauty, that purity, that innocence. It just glows." Dito na nga naalala ni Jericho na nag-alangan siyang ligawan si Janine sa pag-aakalang 24 pa lamang ang dalaga. Ayaw naman daw niyang magkajowa na 20 years ang agwat sa edad sa kanya. I agree with you on that. The purity part. So pure. I thought she was 24. EJ, my makeup artist, said that she's 24. And I said, what? Okay, bye. Alam mo yun? Bye. I'm not dating a 24-year-old girl. I Google and found out she's 34. Sabi ko, oh, okay, pwede pala. Pwede pa pala, pahayag ng premyadong aktor. Magkasama ngayon si Jericho at Janine sa kapamilya primetime series na Lavender Fields kung saan gumaganap sila bilang mag-asawa na sina Tyrone De Vera at Iris Benavides De Vera. Kwento ni Jericho, hindi lang sa ganda ni Janine siya na-attract kundi pati na rin sa ugali nito. Mas marami pa raw siyang na-discover sa dalaga mula nang gawin nila ang Lavender Fields. One day, I had asked her, "Would you like to do script reading with me?" I'm sure she has her own version of the story, but why would I ask for a script reading? She's the only person I haven't worked with. She was going to be my work wife, my wife in the show. All of the decisions that my character was going to do in the show was because of a relationship that they have. This is not some easy working relationship. We needed to, so I said in my head, oh, coffee, script reading and coffee, pagbabahagi ni Echo. Patuloy pa niya, I brought my iPad and then we saw each other at a cafe. I brought my iPad out and she started laughing. She was like, "Holy, you have an iPad?" I said, "Yes, this is a work meeting." To cut the long short, 6 hours later, we never got to open the iPad. I was like, it ended up with like Japanese food at 3 p.m. and then she went to her Lola Pilita Corrales and that's it. And I was, wow, I can spend like 3 hours talking to this girl. That's when I felt something, pag-aamin ni Echo. Sa tanong kung ano-ano ang qualities ni Janine na nagustuhan ni Echo, she talks calmly. A sweet person who's like almost never upset about anything. She handles herself really well, with such humility. She knows her decisions and she does it in a very smooth and soft, tender kind of way, anya pa. In fairness, single naman ngayon pareho sina Jericho at Janine kaya wala namang pwedeng humadlang sa kanilang pagmamahalan if ever. Kung magtatandaan, matagal nang wala sina Janine at Paolo Avellino at ilang taon na ring hiwalay si Echo sa dati niyang asawang si Kim Jones.